So hello guys, how you guys doing? How's your week or like weekend, and happy new week? So just want to walk you through my week 7 milestone submission. It was actually a lot. The prototype, yada yada. I would have loved to play my prototype for you guys to see. Let me see. Because I think I uploaded it on my YouTube, but it's on Shorts. Let me play it for you guys to see our prototype for my group. We created an app. We're trying to create an AI app to audit the small businesses financial accounts. So this is the interface. You can say the name of the app will be Smart Audits. It's an AI app. So this is what it looks like. You can see. How much now? So it's that's our prototype. So now I uploaded it on my YouTube, and I'll still leave the link in the I'll leave the link to it in this YouTube video, and we have a quick survey. We need your feedback, so I'm going to share the link to the survey so you can help us to give your own 2 cents on the prototype I just played. Now if there's anything you want us to do better, so you can give us your own feedback. So I'm just going to we're not going to take much time, just rename and submit milestone 07 underscore my name underscore my surname underscore dates 0303 2025. So then we'll go to the app to submit. I don't know if I still have, oh my gosh, I've closed all the distance, so I have to open another one. Okay guys, I'm in now. So I just do that off cam. So now I'm in, I need to submit. So resume learning. Or should I just go to this here? Just do this. Why is the network slow? Okay, yeah. Okay, next. Yeah, then upload. Oh my goodness, I did not download. I need to download download. Save to file. Yeah. Then I can upload 7. Submit. Done. So submit. So that's done. So that's it. So I learned that some people are still having some challenges with their group, and this is all already like three weeks, and some people still don't have a group, and their group they've not been able to come up with their prototype. I don't know what you guys want to do. If you need assistance or help, you can reach out to me. Maybe your group can outsource your uh project to someone to help you to do it. Then you get like you pay the person. So that's the only way forward to get all this thing done in a jiffy. You guys can come together and reach out to someone to do it for you with little payment, because it take a lot of time, no doubt. I'm not going to deceive you. Even the ones we did right, that it's not even like complete. We know like amount of efforts, data, time that goes down on this. So if you want assistance, you want someone to do it for your group, you can reach out to me. Then we can discuss the pricing. It's not free, so if you don't have the money to pay, it's better you just stay. Though you don't need to message me. But if you're already like willing to pay, then you give me your problem statement, and we can take it up from there. Then we negotiate, because it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. So thank you guys for watching. Let me play our prototype for you once again to see what we did. And I'll leave the link of the survey in the description box. Try to engage. Thank you guys.